Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Laura Shaw and I'm part of the Davison family, and these are my 3 boys. They get bigger every year. This is Jacob, Levi, and Caleb, and today we're going to make strawberry bruschetta. It's actually Raelene's strawberry bruschetta, and this is one of her recipes. It's very delicious. We used to serve it on a sandwich with brie cheese, then we grilled the sandwich in the cafe, and now it's one of my favorite things actually to put on pizza on a chicken dinner. So let's get right to it. So we are going to start by using 2 baskets of strawberries, and we're going to chop them finely. First thing we want to do is just give them a quick rinse, and just as a reminder with fresh strawberries, you want to wash them just right before you use them. Don't do it ahead of time because they spoil very easily. Alrighty, so we're just going to start by hulling them, taking the top off, and then chopping them finely. For this recipe, you really do want pretty small pieces of strawberry. And I'll take my big knife and I'll go over it again. I'm looking for a total of 3½ cups of chopped strawberries. Again, that's about 2 small baskets. So while the boys are finishing chopping up the strawberries, I'm going to cut up some basil. So we are looking for 2 teaspoons of fresh basil. So again, I'm just going to chop that up really fine. Start by going one direction, and go the other direction. One more. So the rest of the ingredients are really very simple. I'm looking for 4 teaspoons of olive oil. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar. Another 2 teaspoons of balsamic reduction. 1 teaspoon of lime zest. You can actually use either lime zest or lemon zest, but I prefer lime, so we're going to put that in there. And this was just, I zested this off of about 1/2 of a lime. 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. And that's everything. So Levi, you can mix that up. And that's how you make strawberry bruschetta. It's very simple. It comes together really fast. Again, you can eat it in a variety of different ways. I personally love it on chicken. It's just a really fun seasonal treat. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.